when we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day. Greetings to all of you on the 75th Independence Day. When we talk of independence, do we think how many people have fought for the freedom struggle? Do we at least know how many of them have laid down their lives to ensure that we live in a free democratic country? Do we think for a second how many soldiers have laid down their lives in all the battles that the country has fought after its independence? And that is only to ensure that we live peacefully in this country. We get to celebrate birthday parties. We get to roam about freely everywhere. Do we realize? Have we ever thought? No. When we talk of Independence Day, I just remember those scenes on 15th August and 26th January that people are going on their bikes with the tricolor shouting. People are going in open jeeps and shouting like hooligans, teasing girls. Is this the way you celebrate your independence? Does independence mean that you do whatever you wish to? Or independence means something much more to it? Independence means a lot more to a soldier. When we say that we are all patriotic, what do we mean by patriotism? Ask a soldier and he'll tell you what is patriotism. Patriotism is that when we at the academy after the training, when we pass out, we take an oath and we say that if need be, we would lay down our lives for the country. There is no other profession. In fact, I don't call armed forces as a profession. But then there is no other profession in which this kind of oath is taken. That is patriotism. When we say that I am going to fight the enemy because I love the men behind me, it means the countrymen, that is you. Do we realize today that we are being able to listen to this talk of mine? It is only and only because of those soldiers standing at the borders at the LC, line of control, guarding the borders from Pakistan with guns and rifles in their hand. Do we realize that when we are talking to each other here and when we are moving out freely, there are these soldiers in Ladakh and Leh, in Sikkim, in Arunachal Pradesh, in the cold weather, in snow, standing with a rifle so that the Chinese don't enter into the country and disturb you all and me. Do we realize that? To pay homage to all those people due to whom we have got freedom today, and also to pay homage to all these soldiers who lay down their lives to ensure that we all live peacefully here. I would like to say, गर्जना हो और हो हुंकार तुम, वज्र हो और हो टंकार तुम, धैर्य साहस शक्ति के आधार तुम, अनगिनत आहुतियों की धार तुम प्रलय हो और तुम सुमृत पवन, राष्ट्र के प्रहरी शत शत नमन, राष्ट्र के प्रहरी शत शत नमन. I know I have been in Nagpur for many years, and when I interact with the youth and when I ask them, what do you wish to become after you finish your graduation? Very few of them opt for a career in defense. Again, I would not call it a career. I would say the defense forces is a way of life. Because it is a totally different way of life that we lead. We lead our lives with discipline. We lead our lives with courage. We lead our lives with vigilance, imbibed with Indian moral values and with a great sense of patriotism. And that is why I call it a different way of life. Very few of them, they opt to join the defense forces. Somehow they have a bit of apprehension. Perhaps it is the fear of death, or perhaps they are scared of the hardships that one has to face in the forces. Let me tell you, young girls and boys, you all as the youth of the country, you need to have a lot of courage in you. The reason why I'm saying this is not because I am a forces officer. It is because you need courage to face the challenges that you may undergo every day at every moment. Even if you join the corporate sector, it is the same thing. But here, when you join the forces, you get very interesting and exciting challenges every day. Life is absolutely challenging here. We get an opportunity to pursue the sport that we like. We get an opportunity to pursue the adventure activity that we like. And we also get the opportunity to fulfill that fervor of youth in us when we join the forces. Believe you me, the training of the defense forces trains each girl and each boy into a lethal machine. And I mean it when I say a lethal machine. The armed forces of our country is a very moral army. That is exactly the reason why after we won the Kargil war in 1999, the Pakistanis had left the dead bodies of their soldiers and they had ran away. But we, because we are a moral army, we believe in principles and values and ethics of life, we gave these soldiers, these Pakistani soldiers, a proper type's funeral which a soldier should get. And these are the principles on which the armed forces stands. The armed forces believes in three values: Naam, Namak, Nishan. Naam is my name, my country's name. Namak is the salt which we eat. देश के नमक को जागना चाहिए. And Nishan is the Tiranga. Whatever we do in the armed forces, we do it for these three things. Last but not the least, just a small clarion call for you all. Do whatever you wish to in your lives. But please remember, the nation's interest should be always ahead. Think of the country first, because the country has made you what you are. The country has given you the education. You are living today in a healthy environment of this country. And that is why never forget to work and to take a step forward for the country first. Like Field Marshal Chetwood has said, the honor and safety of the country comes first, always and every time. The honor, safety and welfare of men under my command comes next, always and every time. And my own honor and safety comes last, always and every time. And so it has to be regarding all of us. We are all citizens of our country. We are proud Indians. Take pride in saying that you're an Indian. And when you take this pride, that is the time when you will prove that yes, you are the promising youth of a bright country called India. At the end, just a small message for the country and for the youth of my country. अपनी फौलाद सी हिम्मत को ना सोने देना, किसी को नफरत के बीज ना बोने देना. अपनी फौलाद से हिम्मत को ना सोने देना, किसी को नफरत की बीज ना बोने देना. तुम्हारे जिस्म के टुकड़े भी अगर हो जाएं, कभी इस देश के टुकड़े ना होने देना, कभी इस देश के टुकड़े ना होने देना, कभी इस देश के टुकड़े ना होने देना. जय हिंद.